Today we are making mini wreaths for gift wrapping this Christmas. Start by choosing your herbs. I like to use rosemary and Santalina. If you don't have any of these, I can recommend eucalyptus or olive branch. Anything with a woody stem works well. Pick up your wire, which will form the base. I've used a wire which is 45 centimetres long. However, you can use a different length depending on the size of wreath you want. To begin, cut foliage into small lengths, about 2 centimetres. To start your wreath, fold over the wire as so, and twist to secure. Place your foliage onto the wire and secure using a wire spool. Repeat until you reach the end. Then mould your wreath into shape. Cut a short piece of wire to secure the 2 loops. Using a wrapping paper of your choice, wrap your presents. Cut 4 lengths of string which will secure your wreath to the gift. Loop the string around the 4 sides of the wreath. Tie the string together at the back. Trim any excess. Add any finishing touches or gift tags. Have a Merry Christmas!